Well, that sounds like another day in the force.
Oh shit! Here they come!
Hey. Oh, there you go.
Man, that was nasty.
Fuck you! Yeah, fucking chainsaw my way up this hill. Let's do this. Might be a highlight if I'm gonna chainsaw my way up.
Marcus, I have something to tell you.
Have to wait.
Not now.
Yeah. Alright, get back. Roll again. Nice. Nice, he's gone. Alright, take a shot, take a shot, take a shot. I didn't do shit. Alright, well, I got the active. Bullet sponging. No, you are not gonna kill me. All the way to the top, huh? Out of here. Whoa, you almost killed me with your gun over there. They're on. Fuck you! Big zone, baby! Chainsaw my way up the hill. Oh, yeah, that's how we like it, right? Yeah! All Texas Chainsaw Massacre up in this bitch. Get the fuck out of my zone. Get the fuck up out of my zone. Down the hill. Get out of my way.
Up there!
Love this
God
game.
damn, is this ever gonna end?
Control, this is Delta. Go ahead.
I'm detecting seismic activity inside the house. There might be locust tunnels inside.
Copy that, Anya. We are aware.
Woo! Yeah, baby!
Here it go!
What's up, ladies?
Locusts are inside.
There's something else here, too. An APC behind the house. Now we can get out of this
APC
shithole.
these nuts in your face.
No offense.
Yeah, an APC doesn't work, though.
I told you I'd fix it. Listen up. We don't have much time. Get back there and make sure that APC works. We're going in.
Into the creepy house. 3 spooky, 5 me. Ah shit, I didn't pick up any of their ammunition, that's alright. I don't need any of that yet. Not just yet.
Throwing Brad! Who's next?
Wow, closer look, I got all of them, huh? Nice.
Baird, what's
Fuck
the
yes.
status on that APC?
Status is that it sucks. Clutch plate is cracked. I'm gonna have to take out the flywheel.
Hey, Baird.
And pull the drive shaft for sure.
Just fix it.
Awesome,
Right,
back set.
I can do that.
Fine work, Baird.
You're coming out of that hole. Plug it up.
Done.